Hello dear subscribers, today we have 1993 Subaru Sambar dump truck 4x4, extra low gear. I need to check, it might have the axle lock on this one. This truck is in perfect shape. I did a lot, quite a bit to it. So I put brand new tires all around, including the spare tire is brand new, brand spanking new tires, left stoplight brand new, so rear brakes brand new, rear brake pads, front rotors and brake pads brand new. You can see from here, shiny inside, and front axle mount brand new. Also I replaced timing belt tensioner, crankshaft seal, camshaft seal. I'm still waiting for the engine mounts coming. I'm gonna replace it. And I'm still waiting for the rear shocks. They are working, but they was leaking, so I'm gonna replace the shocks and engine mount on the right. What else I did to this truck? No, of course, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter, brand new oil filter, brand new oil in engine. I even flushed the engine oil. Hey, bless you, sir. So transmission oil is brand new, front axle oil brand new. I replaced it all. Very nice truck, very nice truck. And rear, I never seen dump like that. It's heavy duty dump. These sides open up there and up here. Huge piston. No leaks. I didn't touch it. I didn't paint nothing here. Usually I do, but I didn't. The only place I paint, I'll show you later. I didn't touch here, nothing. It's all original paint, whatever it's been. Nice truck. It's a raised bed. You can put a lot of stuff inside, whatever, leaves, firewood, anything. So it's got brand new, I installed that brand new battery cover, it wasn't there. So it's all finished, all done, all serviced, perfect shape, no rust. It's dirty underneath. I guess they didn't carry nothing, but they've been driving on the mud. It's a lot of dirt underneath, so I cleaned a little, as much as I could. Perfect inside, super clean. It's just a super clean, like brand new, especially underneath of the mats. It's just shiny, clean. Here, everything is like brand new, brand spanking new. This compartment comes out. I didn't wash inside, nothing. It didn't have to be washed. The passenger seat, of course, becomes table with this cup holder. Here's your, I believe it's a VIN number. No, it should be another tag. Very nice truck. Let's see. Yeah, this one got differential lock. It's right there. This is very rare, yeah, very rare when they make Subaru Sambar with differential locks. Okay, let's hook it back up. I do have a, I think it's not original, but I do have a floor mats. I washed them, forgot to put them back. Very nice truck. So I put different mirror here, not brand new, but very good mirror. I need to order more mirrors. The left mirror was bad, so I replaced it. This one is great. Everything works. antenna, everything is here. Got some, probably some tear inside there. Yeah, right there. It's a Japanese tape. I kept it. Very nice and clean everywhere you look. And underneath here, like I always show people, that mini truck usually get rust through here and through here and through here. So it's nothing here, it's perfect shape, very clean, super clean. Yeah. And it's got all the tools behind, the jack and everything's behind that seat. That unfortunately it's not folds down. You gotta move it forward and then reach for the tools. Oh, and I think we did, I believe I did with my neighbor. Yep, brand new brake fluid, we bleed it. I need to clean it up a little, we spill some oil there. Yeah, when I replace all the brakes, me and Kevin, we bleed the brakes and everything. Needs to be cleaned a little, dirty. That's gotta be here. Okay, here's a dump button, gravity operated. It's going down, and I need to wash it. It's a bird shit here everywhere. But it's a dump truck, beautiful dump. Okay, so the only spot I painted, this rear cover and this came up like brand new, brand spanking new. Whispering, exhaust is in perfect shape. It's dirty inside. I'm gonna open it up. I didn't wash it. I probably will wash it at some point. Let's see. It's a very nice truck. This is very fancy wheels, and they are universal. When you take the cap off, it's a bunch of holes, so you can put it on Daihatsu, on Suzuki, on any mini truck. Look at this cover. I painted better than factory. Look at that. Shiny. It's brand spanking new cover. Yeah, I sprayed a little there. Like I said before, I sprayed that one I put. It's not brand new, but it's very almost brand new light. The right one is okay, so I didn't touch it. Oh, also I replaced the valve cover gasket, replaced, so timing belt and everything, and then I will replace that engine mount. And it's got that rear signal, beep 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 beep, unknowing signal. Nice truck. Gotta be, I'll wash it probably, because inside up there it looks perfect. It's just here dust. Like I said, they've been driving, I think probably in the forest somewhere, because dust was everywhere, dirt underneath and dust. Yeah. Oh, I put new light here, and it's a rear gear light. Very nice truck. Utility light works. I probably need to put key inside. Yeah, gotta put ignition key. Yep, utility light works. Everything here works. Turn signals, lights. Hard to see on Subaru, high-low beam up there. It's very hard to see. Yeah, it's right there. That's all working. Signal works. It works. Radio works. DIF lock works. but I don't know if it's, let's see how that works. Maybe I need to turn 4-wheel drive right there and DIF lock. It doesn't show nowhere, but I assume it works. This button is right there. I need to do it with somebody to listen on the back. Okay, let's turn it off. And so 5-speed manual with extra low gear with a DIF lock. Very nice dump. This is, man, very nice, very clean, sealing, everything, perfect shape, perfect shape, everything intact. Got handle here, handle here. Of course, that handle always missing, not there. It's all clean, nice and clean. Bunch of writings in Japan. So that's it. Brand new tires, everything brand new, and all serviced. Got little dents. The one, of course, is usual on the bottom here, dent, and if you look through here, it's got kind of dented area here. Hard to see it, but it's there. And everything else is good. And here a couple dents, tiny dents. One little here and one there. Very nice truck. One more look around. Yeah, the rear opens up like that, and also you can open this. This doesn't have a handle, so you gotta take this bolt off. Two bolts, and then you can remove the whole thing, and the sides opens up like that. Huh? I never seen them like that. Interesting. But it's deep, it's very good. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. And very, no rust almost. Just a few little tiny surface rust spots. If I'll paint it, it's gonna look like brand new. But I didn't. Okay. And I like this rims too. I think they not alloy, maybe they are, maybe they metal, I'm not sure. Okay, if anybody likes it, dump truck, very low on miles, only 17,000 miles, 17,400 miles, and I replace everything, timing belt, everything. Okay, have a blessed life, enjoy this beautiful life. Look at that. Here's the lunatic moon hiding. Birds singing. Nice. I got up there 2 more trucks to fix. Actually I got 5 more to fix. Bunch more coming, probably after 4th of July. Have a great day. Bye bye.